Hi, I'm Madeline, and I'm so excited to introduce you to Cricut. At Cricut, our mission is simple to help people lead creative lives. Whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting out, our smart cutting machines are here to help bring your ideas to life, and the possibilities are endless. A Cricut is a smart cutting machine that helps you express your creativity and make personalized items for any and every occasion, from simple stickers and labels to iron-on for custom t-shirts, handmade cards, or home decor. Cricut machines can cut hundreds of materials with precision and ease, and they don't just cut. They can also write, draw, score, and more. Our machines work with Design Space, the free, easy-to-learn design app that you can use on your phone, tablet, or computer. Your Cricut machine will connect to Design Space on your device via Bluetooth or USB. So here's how it works. First, in Design Space, pick a ready-to-make project from our ever-growing content library. Upload your own image or design your idea from scratch. Then, once your design is ready, hit Make and watch as your machine works its magic. Finally, put it all together, and voila, you've made something amazing. So, what can you make with Cricut? The better question might be, what can't you make? Everything from personalized tumblers and monogrammed gifts, or level up your crafting and create customized planters, wood signs, or even fabric or leather pieces. If you can dream it, Cricut can help you make it. Some of our favorite real-life projects? This custom golf tee Carson made her baby. Personalized combs JC made for her girlfriends. A custom doormat Freya made. These fun and unique wedding invitations from Nuvola Studio. Once you get a Cricut machine, you'll start looking at everything around you and thinking, can I make that with Cricut? Chances are you probably can. So, are you ready to get started? The next step is deciding which machine is right for you. We have a great video here on our YouTube channel, which we'll link below. Or you can head over to Cricut.com where we have a super quick machine quiz that'll give you a personalized recommendation in less than 2 minutes. We are so excited to have you join the Cricut community. Every holiday, every birthday, every just because moment becomes an opportunity to make something meaningful and unique. Happy making!